How to turn off auto snapping on CapCut PC. If you want to turn off auto snapping on CapCut on your PC, it is very simple to do so. Now on CapCut, what happens is, let's say I split a certain timeline or the editing option right here. But if I want to drag this to maybe somewhere else and in between I do not want anything, you can see it just auto snaps itself. If I drag this out, unless it is in the other timeline, if it's in the same timeline, it is just going to auto snap itself out. So to turn off this auto snapping, what we have to do is on the right hand side, you can see these different blue icons. The first one, when you hover over it, it will say turn off main track magnet. So this is the option that we want to disable. Just click on this blue icon that says turn off main track magnet, and now the blue icon will be removed, and now we can see that auto clipping or auto snapping has been disabled, and I'm now free to drag this on to any of the other spaces. So I hope this video helped you out, and if you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.